Hello everyone, welcome to React Learning Course. Today I am talking about props and React components. What's props, why we use props and React component, and how we use props. So let's start. In the last video I told you React is a component based language. We can reuse React component to prevent from code reusability. This is one functional component by name my app, and also we imported this component here in app.js file. My app and self-closing tag. I will show output of this component in browser. My name is Hafiz. I am 33 years old. So now I can to reuse this component many times. Like how we can do this? I want to render this component 3 times, save this code, and move to browser. Here we have 3 output from 3 components. Also we can to change name and year and everything. We can change attribute for every component and every time. So how we can to do this? We can do this by props, keywords. Props mean properties. Like I want to show to you here in person.js file. Props is nothing, but props is a single parameter of React functional component. We can use props instead of this function parameters like this. React components use props for communicating with each other. This means React component use props to pass data from parent components to child component. Like now I want to get dynamic name and years from every component. So how we can to do this? First I want to select attribute for this component in app.js file. Name equal to Hafiz, age equal to 44, like this. This is attribute of this my app React component, and I want to select name for this component Ali. After this I want to select age 23, and also I want to select name for this equal to Akbar, and age equal to 11, like this. I want to save this code and move to browser. Nothing changed. So how we can to change this? We will move to person.js file, and instead of name I want to use curly braces, and here we can use props like props dot name, and instead of this years we can use props dot age, like this. So now we can get access to these properties by props, by using props. Now I want to move to browser. We will see output of this. Okay, we have output. First, my name is Hafiz. I am 44 years old. And also we have different output from every components. And we used just this one component and different style. So also we have another special keyword or special props and React component. Here we have just self-closing tag. Now I want to remove this, and I want to create both tag, starting tag and closing tag. And I want to write here something like I am children, like this. So how we can to get access or move this to browser and React component? We can use or we can access to this also by props. Like I want to use paragraph, and here I want to use curly braces, and here I can write or use props dot children, like this. So by this keyword prop dot children we can access to this text, or also we can use here another HTML tag. Everything you want you can use here. I want to use this text. Now save this file, and also save this file and move to browser. Have I am a children. Here we have now children props. Also we can to change or create other children props here in this components. So by this way we can use prop and components and prop.children and React component. So this video was just about for functional component in React, how we can use props and props.children. I will show to you in the next video in class component, because we have 2 types of components in React: functional components and class components. So thank you for watching.